Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we draw the letter of A and now we use blue color. First we draw A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. We again use blue color and now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is G. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we use green color. The color of green. Kids, now we draw the letter of E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. We again use green color. Now we draw the letter of G. And the next one is H. H for hand. Kids, we again use green color and now we draw I. I for ice cream. Now we draw the letter of J. And the next one is K. Now we use red color. Kids, now we draw the letter of K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lemon. Now we draw M. M for moon. We again use red color. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Kids, now we draw the letter of P. P for parrot. Now we use black color and draw Q. Now we use black color. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Now we draw the letter of S. S for snake. We again use black color and now we draw T. T for tiger. Kids, now we draw U. U for umbrella. Now we use yellow color. Kids, now we use the color of yellow. V for vanilla. And the next one is W. W for wolf. We again use yellow color and now we draw X. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.